During my lockdown period, I do gardening. Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants. Gardening provides nutritious veggies and fruits and beautiful flowers. Research studies say gardening offers a variety of health benefits. It includes exposure to vitamin D, mood boosting benefits, and enjoyable aerobic exercise. Spending time in gardening can help to reduce depression, anger, and stress. Furthermore, experts say gardening is good for us as it can help reduce the risk of diseases such as stroke, as well as improving your immune system. In my garden, I have chili, turmeric, bitter gourd, Mexican mint, tomato, sour spinach, lady's finger, and fenugreek.